In this economics course, the focus is essentially multidisciplinary. It is impossible to teach economics in a vacuum, outside of the real world. One cannot teach economics as many of my colleagues do. They rely solely on graphs and mathematical language. Economics is a science which deals with human action, with the processes of human interaction, and it must be explained using a methodology that is very close to and strongly rooted in the real circumstances that surround us. Thus, only a person who also has a deep knowledge of history and law makes a good economist. Law is the science that studies the rules which shape and govern the processes of social cooperation. If we are going to study those processes from an abstract perspective, which is the aim of economics, then the close relationship between law and economics becomes clear. In fact, the schools of economic sciences were formed relatively recently. It was not long ago that they split off from law schools. In Spain, this took place in the 1940s, after the Civil War. Up until that time, economics was taught mainly at law schools. One of the tragedies of economists and jurists is that the two branches of knowledge have been separated. As a result, jurists know nothing about economics, and economists know nothing about law. However, fortunately, at this university, the Universidad Rey Juan Carlos, the problem has been avoided. We are at the School of Legal and Social Sciences. Here, at this campus, law and economics are taught jointly. The economics department is responsible for all economic subjects, regardless of the degree program they are part of. For example, the degree in business administration and management, or the degree in economics, or the degree in audiovisual communications, or any of the general or honors degrees, whether joint or isolated, which appear in the curriculum. Well, the content of our first topic is strictly legal, which explains its title, the legal nature of the monetary irregular deposit contract.